Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in Camtasia. And then we are going to take that screenshot and save it into a folder so that we can later use that screenshot image as a YouTube video thumbnail. This process is also known as exporting an image. In Camtasia, you can export a frame in various formats such as PNG, JPEG, or GIF files. Alternatively, you don't need to export the image. You may just want to use this method for creating some still image frames to use in your video as a background for some annotations. Let's get started. I currently have Camtasia open on my desktop and I have opened up a project which is completely finished, but I want to take a frame or a screenshot from within the video so that I can use it for the video's thumbnail. Alright, I'm inside of the project. I'm going to scrub through the beginning and there's a frame or a spot in the video where I have pretty much everything I need for the thumbnail. I'm scrubbing to the spot where I want to take or export a frame. For me, it's really easy to scrub to the screenshot or frame that I want because it's stretched over a longer time span. But if you're trying to take a screenshot of something that's moving really quick or that's hard to get the exact frame of while using the scrubber head to go back and forth, you can use some commands on your keyboard to help you go frame by frame. In order to do this, you want to look for your comma and your period keys on your keyboard. The comma key will go backwards one frame at a time. I'm pressing the comma key and we're going one by one frame backwards. And then the period key, when I press that, it goes one frame at a time forward. So that's how you can dial in the exact frame that you want to capture. Alright, so this is the spot that I want to export or take a screenshot of. Alright, once you find the spot where you want to take the screenshot, you can look a little bit above there's a command bar right above the scrubber head here. There's a little camera icon. So when you click on that, it's going to take the screenshot of wherever the scrubber head is, or whatever you see inside the screen is what's going to get captured. So I'm going to click it now, left click. Now you can see that the frame has been added to my media bin and it has also been added to the timeline. So if I wanted to use this screenshot inside of my video, I could split my video and stick it in there and then put some annotations on top of it. To export the frame, you want to make sure that your scrubber head is at that exact location and your preview is showing exactly what you want to export. Go to the menu options on the top and click Export and then Export Frame As. Left click. Okay, now I have created a folder and named it Screen Captures, which is for my screenshots. So I'm going to double click to get inside that folder. And then for the name of the file, I'm going to change this file name because it's just a timestamp really. So rename your file screenshot1 and then you can pick the save as type. So you can pick the file type here. This is a drop down and when you click on it, you can see you have options for JPEG and PNG files. I'm going to save this as a PNG file, so select that and then click the save button. And this is in the same resolution as the video is shot in, which is 1920 by 1080 or HD. The other way you can do it is very simple too. You don't actually need to export the frame at all. As soon as you take the screenshot, it goes into your media bin, which is also saved in the project files.